guys? It's your girl Daisy Flower Girl. Welcome my squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know each and every time I do come on. And today I'm back with another seafood boil. This is a smaller one from yesterday. Yesterday was really bigger. And I have the beloved sauce. You guys, I finally made it. So I can't wait to try it. I'm so ready. I have lobster tails, potatoes, corn, egg, mussels, shrimp. Yes, honey. Yes. Time to dig in. Let me say my grace. Lord, thank you for this food I'm about to receive and the nourishment of my body's sake. Amen. Let's get it, you guys. And these mussels, I'm trying to tell you, big. I never had them this big. Here we go, you guys. The beloved sauce. First time trying it. It's a lot hot. Because I just finished making it. Still kind of hot. Okay. Oh, this shit so big. My bad. It make you want to curse. I don't want to come off. It's so big. Those some big muscles. I think they're on steroids or something. They're good. They're so good. First time trying the beloved sauce. Shrimp. You know I keep my shrimp. Yes. Trying to tell ya. Can't waste this meat right here, honey. I gotta get this. Yes. Lobster meat, honey. I broke the bag. In the beloved sauce. It's going down. Look at that. The beloved sauce, baby. Ooh. Child, I had to slow down some. So good. Ooh. And that beloved sauce. Child, these mussels and this beloved sauce. That's good right there. And that beloved sauce good. Mm. 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 Some shrimp. Mm. 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 Yes. Mm. I just don't know, honey. If you ain't tried that B-Love sauce, you got to try it. Mm. Ooh. Some potato. Mm. 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 And today, you guys, I have water because mm, 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 mm. This B-Love sauce is good. Like, for the first time me trying it, oh my God, you guys. I can't even talk. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. 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 Oh, yeah. I just don't know. Mm. Get some of this B-Love sauce right here. I want it on everything. Yes. Mm. Ooh. Huh. Mm. 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 This B-Love sauce is so, so, so good. So good. Mm. 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 You guys, this is so good. And I just want to say I love you guys so much. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please hit the notification bell and subscribe. I would love for you to be part of the family and be a flower girl, a beautiful flower girl on my squad. And just enjoy life, you know? And also, I have been getting so much feedback and I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. You knew we was gonna talk. I just had to catch myself for a second. You know, I eat then we talk. Because I be so into this. It be so good. This is so delicious, you guys. This is so good. Like, this B-Love sauce is more than what I expected. Oh, goodness. It's so good. Oh, my gosh. Okay, I hope you guys had a beautiful day today. I be going without eating all day because I be so busy. So, like, I was ready for this. Hopefully you guys are eating with me. The mussels are delicious, especially with the B-Love sauce on top. Ugh. You guys, I love you guys so much. We getting close to the middle of the week. I had to think about what day it was. This is so good. You guys don't even understand. This sauce go down. Ooh, it's so good I can't even talk right now. You guys. Ooh, it's so good. This is so good. You guys, hopefully, if you have any recipes, let me know. Comment below so I can try them. Ooh. This is so delicious. I am so satisfied. I am full, you guys. I'm super full. And I hope that you guys have a blessed night. And I love you guys. Please comment below, hit the notification bell, and subscribe so you'll know each and every time I do come on. We would love you to be part of the family. And I love you guys so much. Bye. Love you. Mwah.